Welcome to today's awesome assembly, and I hope you've been enjoying that music in the introduction there, which I'm going to tell you about. But I've got a question for you first. Is school about the building, or is it about all of us, staff, children, parents, learning, education? What is school? Can't you just be schooled at home as well as in our school buildings? What do you think? And isn't it the same for church? What is church? Is it a building? Is that what church is all about? Or is it about all the people worshipping, praying, serving others? What is church? Now, hundreds of churches from across our country have come together to sing this wonderful song. And I'd love you to click on the link below and listen to it, watch it, and think, what is church? Is it the building or is it the people inside? And think about the lovely music they're singing, all the different faces, all the different people, all the different churches coming together to worship one God. So do join me and a million other people who have watched this video by clicking on the link below. So please do enjoy this wonderful, wonderful music, this wonderful blessing, and I look forward to seeing you with me, Mr. Etherton, Mr. Badger Crow, and others in the coming days. So enjoy this video down below. Watch it. That would be really, really brilliant, okay?